set of infinite real numbers in a linear equation or number line. So we'll see the real numbers but infinite case. How to represent on the number line from this linear inequations topic. So here is the four types we can take. One is x is greater than a, or x is greater than or equals to a, and x is less than a, and x is less than or equals to a. So in the place of a, any number. Let me take with examples. For example, the graph of x such that x is greater than or equals to 2 and x belongs to the real numbers. X is greater than or equals to 2. Okay, this is the second type. So how to represent this is a number line. So let us see. X is greater than or equals to 2. So 2 is included in this. That means when you take number line here, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Arrow mark if you keep. So here is x value is greater than or equals to 2. That means 2 is also included. X is greater than or equals to 2. 2 is included and more the values. So because of 2 is included, we can keep this dark circle. Okay, because of included. And not only these two, entire all the values till infinite. That means for this, here is when we should keep a dark. Again, you can draw a line till this ending. Until where arrow mark you are stopping, till there you can draw a line. Just make it a dark line. Okay, that meaning is x is greater than or equals to x is belongs to real number. So after 2, even 2.11, 2.12, every number till infinite. Okay, there's a meaning of this. Like we can take and see one more example. If it is a graph of, we'll take this third type. X is greater than x such that x is greater than 3 and x belongs to the real numbers. Here is x is greater than 3. 3 is not included. In that case, let us see how to make. Okay, let us 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. And this is same -1 here also -1. So here is x is greater than 3. So 3 is not included. Because of 3 is not included, as we discussed the previous topic, we should keep only the open circle, hollow circle. Right? Just only the should be gaps in between. Now from here x is greater than 3. 3 is not included. So this symbol indicates 3 is not included. After 3 every number is included. Because every number is included till ending. Till the arrow you can make some dotted line, dark line. Just like this. That means till here. Till arrow, until arrow you keeping no. So till there you can just draw this. So this meaning is x is greater than 3. Because 3 is not included. Right? Let us see for the remaining type also, less than a and less than type. So here is a graph of less than case and less than equals. Same like x is less than or equals to 3 and x belongs to the real numbers. Right? 3 is included in this but less than 3, all the values. X is less than or equal to 3. Same if you take the number line. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So -1, -2, so on. Simple concept is x is less than or equal to 3. That means 3 is included in this meaning. So because of that, we should keep this circle should be dark. And from here left side, x is less than 3. So till arrow is till there you can draw the lines, dark line you can make until the arrow symbol. That okay, if you can make like this, the meaning of this is till arrow mark you can make symbol. So the meaning 3 is also completely circle is dark. So 3 is included and less than 3. X is less than or equal to 3 like this. And same like a second example, let us see the fourth one. When they will give graph of same x such that here is x is less than minus 1 and x is belongs to the real numbers. X is less than minus 1, so minus 1 is not included in this. So according to that, just you can take 0, 1 positive numbers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. Here is x is less than minus 1, so minus 1 is not included. Just why you can keep the open circle, hollow circle you should keep. And from here all the values less than minus 1. Then for the remaining values you can keep the line. On the number line only you can draw one more line. Just make some dark. The till arrow symbol, that's the meaning of this. Right, the till arrow symbol if you can draw, that is minus 1 is not included all the numbers. So each and every number, even minus 2.1, minus 2.2, like this, each and every number on the number line. Because the real numbers is infinite. So from less than minus 1, all the numbers in this. Right, this is the case. So we have the 4 cases we can solve in this type. So this is a set of infinite real numbers in a linear equations on number line. Next, let us see the problems based on this linear equations, how to solve the problems and how to represent the solution set on the number line. Let us discuss now.